Sanibonani babukeli, sanamukela namhlanje kwisiqephu sethu sokuqala lapho sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Sihleli lapha noNana Angel Makhanya, ingelosi engenamaphiko.
Sanibona, sanibingelela igama uThuso wakamloyi. Namhlanje ngilana nomama la ingelosi. UMamNana, mina ngibiza uMamNana. Hayi namhlanje sikhona la sisobabili sisesiqalo food court. Ngisacela nje ukuchazela umuntu ongakwazi nje ukuthi ungubani ingelosi ungubani.
Awuthi uyabona mase ngubani ingelosi kufanele ngiqale ngichazeke ukuthi kusuka
ukhulele
ukuthi kube ingelosi ngoba abanye abantu athi ingelosi enamaphiko ayinaphiko yenjani leyo mhlawumbe ngiyichazele ukuthi ungelosi usuka ekutheni ekhaya bathi ngoNana Angel Makhanya. So bangichazela ukuthi usisi wami wayengakwazi ukuthi ipiki engakwazi ukuthi ingane ethi mayina nalakho le. So bemengichazela lokho mina sengiyafuna ukuthi hawu bangichazelile kodwa manje uAngel abamchazanga uAngel yena uchazana ina voice ke le mina yathi you are an angel sent from up above to touch hearts and make a difference. So ngasithi mina ingelosi ingenamaphiko. So kwaba ne-confirmation because again that voice yathi yabona ngilosi yami ngizokususa ezulwini ngikusemhlabeni kodwa ngizokususa amaphiko ngoba if unamaphiko abantu ngeke bayilalela imessage engikuthuma yona bazo excitewa indaba yamaphiko ngokubona amaphiko nawe futhi uzozibona usuperior engathi ungcono kakhulu kunabantu kanti I want you to humble yourself. So ngasithi mina ingelosi engenamaphiko. So that's where it comes from, ingelosi engenamaphiko. But ke ingelosi ke le izalwa kwaMashu. Ithu 09 Nyamana Road izalelwe eMakhotha esibedlela inkaba ke yaqhutshwa ebaleni ngithi uyasithi inkabe
iqhutshwa ebaleni manje inkaba
yaqhutshwa khona ke kwaMashu. Unfortunately ke kwaMashu ngifunde ngagcina edukemini eprimary lower primary sisi wami ke wayengaphambi kwami wagcina efunde eSilimela shithi ubaba wa relocate ke waye eBotswana safisa uhlala eBotswana ke sifunda naBelungu ashuthi ufuna ukuqhubeka futhi
anyuke neAfrika
hayi ushithi ngaleso sikhathi ke nje kwakukhundwa kona mengicabanga ngazi ngoba nganisengane ngeBotswana but ukuye eZambia wayefuna ukuye eZambia ayi bangamvumela ke ushithi wase ehlele okunye so wase eTranskei Eastern Cape at that time was
Transkei ikhathi ezakudala
angithi naye ayifana neLesotho ukuthi uzokwazi ukuya khona fanele ucross iborder ushithi wayethanda lezi indawo ecross
cross ama-border ethanda ukutravel
wayethanda lo but ke shuthi kwafanele ukuthi ke thina ke sibe siye boarding school ngesikhathi esarelocate ashintshe into zakhe and unfortunately ke ngeleso sikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi mina engangimncane kakhulu and ngayizolo ngangikade ngilimali ingalo ngiye boarding school namhlanje ingalo Apple Sports ngaleso sikhathi abantu abaningi sebazi ukuthi i-college ngaleso sikhathi kwakusabhoda ustandard ngangiyofunda ustandard 5 kwakusabhoda ustandard 5 no-standard 6 ubhoda uform 1 form 2 uyawazi uform 1
amaform ingekhathi ngempela ile khathi zobandlululo
bese kuba khona uPTC 1 PTC 2 i-teachers training le Ibuba kuthiwa yini primary teachers course I think so kwakusabhodwa kanjalo ke so ngakhulela khona ke waya ke eTranskei ngamlandela nami ngaye eTranskei besihlale engangelizwe ngifunde eJonhlanga izimele nje mowazi ukuthi engangelizwe kunezimele geqe izimele yakhiwe ngifunde eJonhlanga
khona
so ngabuya ke hayi kwasho ukuthi ke kwaba nezinto eziningi ke impilo ke kwamuva ngicabanga ukuthi sengimchazile nani ukuthi uqhamukayo
hayi usumchaze kahle kakhulu ngicela nje ungazisa ukuthi ekukhuleni kwakho iziphi izinto ezenzeka mhlawumbe zakushape nama experiences akwenza ukuthi ube lo muntu osuyena namhlanje
ekukhuleni kwami what I noticed I was totally different
you were different
because ngikhule ngile ngane ehlala endlini nomana angiyona lengane ephumayo
Uyahamba uyaqaluza.
sasiyi opposite nosisi wami because wayethanda nama-concert kwakusekhona omagugu nani tholakala ukuthi kuthiwa uphi akasekho usehambile mina ngile ngane ehlala endlini methunguma ngiyathunga mepheka ngiyapheka meklina nami ngiyaklina amabhodi wami kwakwamathini lawa condense kwakusekhona ucondense akithi uyawazi condense awazi kwakusekhona ucondense amathini kacondense lawa ibona engangipheka ngawo ngoba kwakunestofu samalahli welcome to offer so kubasha nami-ke ngesikhathi iqobo anyanisi nami isusi yabo lokho kusala kube ikhasi kuphesha nami ngiqobo kufake ebhodweni lami
ulandelise uma
yonke into ayenza ngisho ukuthunga ngisho ukukrosha and kwakuthi noma mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uma akekho ngoba kubuka mani nobaba ila eMaritzburg so uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe khona umceleli ukuthi azosigada athi hayiphuma wena uyodlala nezinye ingane ngiyoncika lapha eminyango uyozaphume so mengibuka that compared to now ngithi I was more groomed by God and my ancestors
babe nawo
babe ngigruma that's how I see kodwa futhi mekhulunywa ngalento ye public self and private self the public self yami it's public because ngisebenza ngomphakathi then i private self yami isanjalo very private very shy very indoors
ayathola and ilokho kona ukukhula kwakho kwagcina ukuficele kanjani kwizithanda ukuthi influence kanjani uzoqala izithande nje
khona-ke mhlampe futhi looking back because ngesikhathi ngingaphumi ngiyodlala ngangiqoqa iy'ngane lezi zakamakhelwane ngizigeze kusho ukuthi nje ngithanda ukuba umuntu ogifted but izithande community development it's a dream that came about ngo-97 97 I was plus minus 5 years into HIV and AIDS because ngiqala ukuba involved kwi-HIV and AIDS I think it was 92 ngise-Midlands Community College because e-Midlands Community College bengisuka-ke eRichmond endaleni school for the deaf and dumb bengiqale ngo-85 so ngomunye wabo ukuqala kwendaleni school for the deaf no not founding but ukufika uzosebenza I'm a co-founder of uGungu Radio but asikho so ngabuka ukuthi ngibe nento engishayile mhlambe ngangikade ngitshela ukuthi ngizoshada kwangashadeka ngasethi it's not the end of the world uNkulunkulu ungiphile abantwana because ngiphiwa abantwana wangiphi shelter because bengine cottage ngihlala cottage ngikwazi uku-afforda kwazi ukuphilisa mina nabantwana bami it's not the end of the world mina yini engiyenzile kuze ngifike ekutheni ngimbonge uNkulunkulu ngase ngibuka ukuthi then that's when I developed a passion for i-community development kwayilapho ke ngiqala khona ngi-applya I had 3 places angisazikhumbula ezinye khumbula nje ukuthi i-interview yami yase-Midlands Community College yayiseJuicy Lucy la ngakuhamba usekhona lapho lo mkhupho kwakhona indawo ethiwa iJuicy Lucy edayisa ama-fruit ama-juice nje kuphela so u-director wakhona ngaleso sikhathi kwakuse uMr Harris so ngangena-ke ngasebenza khona kwathiwa-ke umatron wala because ngangena endaweni yamatron wayerethaye befundisa i-sewing futhi usicela ube i-community liaison office shuthi it's me oyi-link ne-community it's me o-attenda ama-meetings futhi mekunama-meetings ama-NPO so that is when ngahlangana no-Mike Wosnip athi uMike Wosnip hayi ngicela uzoba i-board member hayi ngibe i-board member ngithe ngisathi ngilalela ukuba i-board member bathi ngicela uzoba i-staff member and ngathi mina hayi ngilinde ngiqeda unyaka e-Midlands Community College because Midlands Community College bathe fanele ngifundise ukuthunga bathi ngathi mina ukuthunga mina angizange ngikufunde ngakucelebeleni ngingamfundisa oyedwa mase ngimfundisile nani ke bese niyongifundisa ukuthi ngifundisa abantu so bangisa ke efunda ikhona eGababa ngazi noma yazi indawo yakhona indawo efunda ikhona so efunda ikhona mengifike kwathiwa cha ngeke phela ubasiwenze instructors because fanele uqale wenze sewing yethu uqala kube imake uzongena kwi-instructors course so ke nganginamahloni ukuthi awu asandungisa lapha sengiyashiya futhi yabo ngathi nayi ngicela ungilinde siqede unyaka ngawuqeda unyaka eMidlands Community College ngithe mengijoyina u-NPPACN National AIDS Program i-office lathi eThemba Lezo kanti vele baplana a trip to Zambia, Uganda, Kenya and Zimbabwe on an 8 study tour kunabantu abawu 8 from South Africa abahamba kuleyo trip and ngaba sebengifakile
bakufaka khona lapho
kushuthi ngoba phela ama-arrangements bakade beyoqalile wathola ukuthi vele nami I'm one of those 8 so ngabuka that is when I learned about izinto zo-HIV nama-programs ezekayo e-Africa. So ke unfortunately u-National AIDS Program waphelelwa yi-funding. Then ngithe mengena khona bathi ke awuzusebenza la e-ofisini uzofuna indawo emphakathini la uzosebenza khona so ngaye empophumeni eclinic hayi ngafika ngakhuluma ngiphelezela omunye umngane wami may he so rest in peace uNusa Shezi ngithe mengikhuluma ngathi hayi yazi la ngathi bathi who are you where do you come from uyayibona la ngicela ungitshele where is the next nearest clinic athi nomusa hayi Hawick ngithi mina hayi ngizongiphelezela ke siye khona ayangiphelezele siye khona ngifica usister Fanny Kerr ayifika ngamkela so I initiated i-program ye-HIV AIDS eHawick eclinic esekhona namanje and then ngaphuma ke lapho u-National AIDS Program esephelelwa ama-funds ngaye bizwa u-Rosemart u-Rosemart ube manager yaka-Pietermaritzburg AIDS Training Information and Counseling Center u-PMB athi wathi kune-program yama-commercial sex workers and truck drivers esiqalayo with African Medical Research Foundation. So I feel good we are the best coordinator to coordinate that program with Health Region B. So I was given that job ngaqala ngo-98 ngi-coordinator leyo program yaphuma naku-carte blanche because ngangihamba nasema-truckini understand ukuthi ama-truck drivers commercial sex workers bakwenza kanjani ngiya nala ngase-Liberty ngaleso sikhathi i-Liberty mall yayingakabi khona so ngifike ngime lapho abanye basebethi ngiclamkeshe and then lapho futhi ngabuka ukuthi okay ngikhuluma nabo nge-program and what I found ukuthi abanye babo bathi they are there mhlawumbe baphuma emakhaya ngeke ngizibalule zasemakhaya ngoba kuzobuye ngathi lezo baphuma ekhaya kwazi ukuthi umuntu uyasebenza nge-fortnight uletha imali noma ekupheleni so kwaleyo yangihlupha ukuthi uma ngabe ngithi lo muntu akaphume la emgaqweni ngimsaka ngimnikane because into ithi mawungikhipha la nginikeze phela alternative something ezokwazi ukuthi ngicreate income usuvasa ungikhiphe bese uyangitshinda uyayibona leyo so nayo ongithe ngisekuyona ke there is way la yaqala khona into yesithande ngathi mina inkosi yami how then do I help these people nokubuka futhi ukuthi ngikhuluma nge-change. I've been doing a lot of programs myself. Baningi nabanye and other departments are talking about change, but people are not changing. Why? Ase ngibuka ukuthi mengithi kuwena mawuhlezi kanje ku-wrong, you don't see anything wrong with that. Angithi so kusho ukuthi problem mina fanele kushintshe mina, empower you to develop problem areas then implement change. So ukuthi ngazibuza futhi ukuthi ngikwenza kanjani ke lo ngathi mina okay fanele ngidesign a concept i-concept leyo izoba suitable for a lay person down there up to the president because wonke umuntu unama-skeletons anawo sama-walking zombies ilo nalo nama-problems akhe ubani okusizayo and ngaleso sikhathi ama-mentor kwa-HIV and AIDS ayingakabi khona so ubani okusizayo ukuthi kwasawena ukhile so ngase ngithi okay the program izobizwa ngokuthi it's empowerment development and implementation of a behavior change so I designed a concept ngase ngibuka ukuthi siyaya kuma-workshops kuma-workshops futhi bese 3 or 4 months down the line it phases off kade sibuye sinomdlandla sijabula sifundile kodwa 3 or 4 months down the line it phases off why because there is no follow up there is no support so mengidesigner i-program fanele ngidesigne i-program ezoba u-3 phases so phase 1 ile yokuqala bese uthi phase 2 which is done 3 or 4 months down the line iyona a follow up another one which is also done 3 or 4 months down the line iyona a support so ke I had to design a program ngibuka nokuthi uday 1 wakhona mensafika then izofana i-program but ihluke ngokuthi sisebenza nothisha sisebenza nabantu abasha sisebenza nogogo sisebenza nabafana uyayibona ihluke then futhi ingabi njengeze kunezinto engazifunda kuma workshop ukuthi yangisebenzela lokho kungisebenzeli so ngizokuthatha ngikufake la ngakufaka so I designed a concept i-questionnaire
Yes.
la uthi who am I?
Yes.
Mawusaqala.
Yes.
Who am I? Sithi udile nawe, you share with the group if you want to, and then ukwazi ukuthi ke usuzohlala negroup ke manje.
Senihlangana
Senibuka into yenu ukuthi, for example, let's say sidila nothisha.
Yeah.
Uzothi teacher versus uthisha ama topic abazowadiscussa, teacher versus umzali, teacher versus ingane yesikole, teacher versus school governing board, teacher versus department, and automatically they discuss things abake bahlangabezana nazo bese uthi let's role play ukuze umuntu angene. After that is role play esenze sikwenzayo, siphume futhi semnyango siyodlala. Bring up this little child kwena ngaphakathi. So to revive and bring out this little child, siyahamba siyodlala ama games, senze yonke into siqede. Mesibuya lapho sibheke ezinye izinto because uzithande iprogram is tailor made to fit in nedingo ze institution or company leyasebenza nayo, nakhona sigcine sibasizile mhlawumbe ngabe strategic planning. Mase siqedile ke konke before simvale phase 1, sithi ke who am I manje? Angithi singene sathi who am I?
Yes.
So who am I now? Yini le mina engiplan ukuyenza mengiphuma la futhi ngiplan ukuthi ngiyenze kanjani? Bese uyahamba kuyokwenza lokho oziplanele kona wena. Bese uyabuya after 3 months sesiza ku phase 2. Usuzothi nake bengikuplanile ngikwazile ukwenza lo ngahluleka noma unyasho njalo nisizane niphinde niplane niphinde futhi nihambe after 3 months futhi nibuye for phase 3. Or is supporting. If you still need more support, usho ukuthi cha ngiyayidinga support. So kwayiyona ke lento ke mengibuka ukuthi if I do it as a consultant, abanye abantu bazokwazi uku-consult, abanye ngeke ngikwazi. Ngcono ngiregister NPO. Khona ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiraise ama-funds. Ngikwazi ukuthi ke ngisize abanye abantu.
Hayi,
isiphupho lazithandeke liqhamuke kahle.
Uthande. Hayi senemzwile kuma uchaza ukuzithande. Ngithembe nanokuthi nizophinde niqhubeke nesibuke sesiqhubeka sasithi part 2. Nengelosi.
Right. Siyabonga.